will beat them for no qualify. Also, they also on any budget you are already 100,000 cash down.
Omi fan to swear.
Hey, yes sir.
Omi fan to swear.
100,000.
Say nye bibia. So di ana wo ko. Usura woni.
We dem nko pe be se bi na me.
Rich.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Na we aboko de.
We be aboko. If you for the moti ase de ntia my elite. Abonde so for the monti ntia ase.
Okay.
But if you for the moti ase de ntia.
No problem.
My elite kakra no. But maba.
Okay.
Maba. I'm rich. Say over tactical board no sisi here. I think say the road to Munich no. Clear about the VR. And now you were two teams are qualified to the semi-finals of the Champions League in Paris Saint-Germain and a club in Barcelona. To complete semi-final date, where any move between Arsenal and Real Madrid and Inter Milan and Bayern. Why? And never qualify Aquacom. Look, and my games in a way. It fits into an analysis. And Mecca Rich, let's start with Paris Saint-Germain, Ecolusu to Villa. No? So we share a game in Libya. Rich, so you unite Emra, you'll be very disappointed. It is as if say Unai Emery na onim say eba goals no Villa Park one obetimi ahye. But Rich, sometimes I think say even young analysts you're too hard on coaches.
Nhyira fan.
Aston Villa po aircraft way to Parc des Princes no. Rich, in terms of team setup no. Na enye more defensive than anyone no motifie na omo person omo ewini game no. Anyone Villa team no. Apart from omo back four no. Open up. But even with this defensive shape, we still consider two. Na Obekaya anyone na goals no Aston Villa consider no. Aston Villa na ekosha Paris Saint-Germain o. Rich, they just intercept deep within omo Paris Saint-Germain enya or Parc des Princes. That was the difference. And Enra, so we aggregate score na saba kono sa go na. Enti the omunya ya e no mo afa no. I think say yebebo Borussia Dortmund for that so. They did well. Many fifi nya adu about the fatigue thing no. Season obi na aba bedu say. Yeah. Enye sa fe na bi mu start. Obi aba bedu say. And even Enra Pedro Moti bench. There were some rotations in the Barcelona team. And see, I think it's a matter of attitude. Dortmund wanted it more, and they played for it. Barcelona thought, I said, "You money, I hear you bisano," and I course Barcelona. But at the end of the day, I qualify now to any menu. No, Rich, me sorry I'm not power. No, me tear show we no. Rich, say Madrid and Huna no. I told Munkra Mobo no so cratching as na. Minimum
Madrid for you.
I said those who are outside the Arsenal team are more worried of Madrid and Huna no than Arsenal team and Ankasa themselves. I didn't hear. Muslim Madrid, sir.
Come training video. I'm saying, goes in them.
You see, Rich.
Nadia Cotuano.
You see, Rich, all of a sudden, people are even forgetting Real Madrid this season. And they are going back to Real Madrid history. Rich, Real Madrid this season, the Madrid I watch every weekend. Rich, I'm not saying, say, they can't do it. But Rich, the Madrid I've watched this season. So I catch them and say, Arsenal I said a 3. I better to cow Benabao, I will laugh. Madrid this season. No. Look, nobody should begrudge Madrid for no. Born here, can boy. And I think they are doing whatever it takes to be mentally prepared for the game. And you can't begrudge them. So I will do same or even more. Because they need to encourage themselves, say they can do it. I don't think I will say will be the message by itself. Say it's not about tactics, it is about the belief. Genius are the team here, and that is what Real Madrid are trying to do. Rich, Nhyira Studios is here. Michelle, wait me I join here or Facebook and comment beje pa. Nhyira Studios is here. Some video we Madrid now post you. Rich, here's someone okay. I'll say hello. Can you please translate this to as many languages as possible? And I watch Spanish. Now the translations will come. Rich, yeah, the English in the Canada. Yeah. The Spanish now, Real Madrid in English. See, as someone would about here. And this is the last message from Real Madrid. I must say, 90 minutes at the Bernabeu are very long. This video is posted by Real Madrid. See, you will see the video. Look, I love the way Madrid fans are approaching the game. They are giving themselves any psychological, mental belief. Say, Adiano, let's go and try and do it. But do you think Arsenal are perturbed? I don't think so. Yes, sure. Let's run quickly to the tactical ball. Assuming, say, I want to quickly do Real Madrid. Rich. Even if you give Real Madrid more of the whites, Real Madrid, you're more white, you're more fan. So let's stick to this graph. You give Real Madrid lineup a year and neck. Carlo Ancelotti will want to play 4-3-3. Rich, Courtois, Valverde, David Alaba, Rudiger Asensio, Tchouaméni, Modric, Jude Bellingham, Vinicius, Mbappe, Abranti FN Rodrigo the goals. Even if Sir Dani Ceballos Aba, Real Madrid decided to bench Luka Modric and play Tchouaméni, Dani Ceballos, Jude Bellingham. Rich, Arsenal will come into the game with almost 4-2-3-1, no? And with their 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, good. With almost 4-2-3-1, no? Rich, me say, and no matter what be the decided game way, and I think Arsenal are going to qualify. Simple. What's your voice now, Gabby boy now? Carlo Ancelotti say Real Madrid betting they also free game anymore. They need to dominate the game. And if they are dominating the game, then it means that at every point in time, they can have their chances and score. Rich, Ujidis Awakumamu say Tchouaméni, Ceballos, and answer Luka Modric with Jude Bellingham. Every team are dominating party. Declan Rice and Martin Odegaard. No. And me focus on the analysis now. No. I told you some months ago, say, Mimi Jitum say, Arsenal, Omo for that's no more. In terms of Omo current form, how are Omo Bomu Wache and Mikel Arteta no? Real Madrid, Omo chope no my changes na a play you be film nobody abeshem na say and Arsenal a more stable midfield than team of Real Madrid. And the Arsenal here say Rich, they don't get overwhelmed by the occasion. And you can trust party. What Madrid derby Declan Rice in your player and say he will be overwhelmed because did there and I have to stadium. I don't tell friend Odegaard crowd here. Madrid on waba. Benaba on wabo. And once nobody can convince me, say, Rich, Madrid engine room is better than the Arsenal engine room, then Arsenal will qualify. Because at a point in time, it is not like a so Real Madrid for no, you're starting on your moon, so we shall first go. Rich, the danger in it, and they say, as you want to score, there is Martinelli, Bukayo Saka also waiting on the wings.
Alaba is slow.
So Arsenal must use their strength. Injury room, no, we can cancel you out. We are even better than you. So also you want to bombard us with noise. We will follow supporters say push, and to back. Any problem? What we have, I am bit media cancel Sadio out. I am Martinelli and Bukayo Saka behind who defenders. No, look, Minister Federico Babadi Onimejuma Epa. He's a very good player, but Rich on your conventional right back, and he said Oba ever joining midfield. Nearby pass to Nechi for Martinelli to Peka. Rich. This young Bukayo Saka against David Alaba, we know the story. And see, Rich, me there, and the game no. Me who say there will be a goals kakrabeba, so an over 1.5, but Arsenal will qualify.
Okay.
Arsenal will qualify. I don't know who will win, but you know, at least Anja require you have 2 goals in the game, which is the over 1.5. But Arsenal are going to qualify against Real Madrid. Real Madrid were a very good team, but I don't see how they will overturn 3-0 against this Arsenal team. I have watched Real Madrid against Sociedad. I'm sure Musa, I'm a proponent of the Spanish game. So can Real Madrid with me? I would have told you.
Okay.
But Rich, they can't do it against this Arsenal team. In fact, Rich, there is no team. Anyway, we have to say, I will bet you overturn 3-0 deficit against Arsenal. Team BN, we have to see, this Arsenal team only did a 3. Over to me, Team BN, and not Real Madrid, definitely. Rich, last game, we were just 1 minute.
Yeah, Emrefi.
Ubejedi say, Interphone himself, Edumano Dudu na Omakwa Koye Ewo Muni. They just have to keep their focus today. They know say about game ni a draw cry, yaje, your qualification, your koyenim. But they are very, very prepared, say they are going to meet Bayern ever full force. Rich, the only thing missing from Bayern team and they say they are not coached by a German. So can we are coached by Job Hanks? Then you will know say they will be coming with a German machine. But this a company in a Belgian machine, no, to kakao. Mama Minka said Minchira was on the Manuesi. Obeje is a Bayern air traveling in Rich. Almost say in the history of the Champions League, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and Omako San Siro, Akobo Inter, Nini na they've won. This is Bayern. Oh. This graphic is coming from Bayern. Amusio, Omomunji Endino. Yako San Siro, Akobo Inter in the Champions League 4 times. Rich, Omusi Nina, they beat them. 88, Omusha 3-1. 2006, Omusha 2-0. 2011, Omusha 1-0. 2022, Omusha 2-0. Now, Rich, Scotland here 2-1. And there's no away goal rule. So what it means is that Bayern for to say results are Mako Inter Akonya Biada Biano. If they get it, they take the game. As even a 1-0 in bar, they take the game to extra time. And to Mujo Mudi, Barrich, and yes, our Bayern of 88 now, and yet 206 no, and yet 2011, and yet 2022 now. And yet this Bayern team. And yes, our Inter team, no Mukoshia Omono. And this Inter team. I think I agree with Fifi. Inter will qualify. Inter will qualify. Bayern will make the game very, very difficult. But Inter will qualify. Because at a point in time, Bayern will have to throw caution to the air and attack team your friend Inter. Inter will love and wait for such situation to happen to Bayern and Rich. I believe that they will pounce very, very well on team your friend Inter. Migiri say first leg, I'm Inter bear 70% of the qualification and then enumerate. So I believe say and then enumerate Rich. By the time we will come back to this picture, Rich, we will put Arsenal here, we will put Inter here.
Okay.
That is what I see. Arsenal, Paris Saint-Germain, Barcelona, Inter in the semi-finals.
Right.
Na yako final. You do what? No interesting question. Me busa. Me bese me busa na question no. Ebe neutralize.
No problem.
See a boy numere wi a na ochina me bana me de sa enfani we to so. Na ye the teams na shisha ha. Rich, I will ask you any for one big question be.
Okay.
Na yetimi no. But my prediction is say Arsenal will be here, Inter Milan will be here for an number to set the date for Munich 2025 semi-finals.
Okay, and January you be share the line commentary Abremo. In Shawanzo 4.5 Ayala code no e banafi Emrefi M57 no M4 and Thoms and then so ya catch him say ya 2000 kane sikada da niman ke beka say 20 million ya cha ba ko 6 ya be draw ni CCA into nya ntwa bia star 281 hash star 281 hash na choose option 2 ne twa